credit repair secrets, I am exposing them all. This is part 23 of the 25-part series where I'm going to give you some game on authorized user trade lines. And a lot of people ask, do they still work? Absolutely, they still work. But there are a number of things that we have to be aware of when it comes to authorized users, because the most easiest and fastest way for us to piggyback off other people's good credit and boost our credit as fast as possible is to have other folks that have a perfect payment history and a fairly low credit utilization add us to their credit cards as an authorized user. And we can even do this for our children. And I've even had family members who have done this for some of my clients. But one thing that we need to pay attention to is what happens when those authorized user trade lines go south, or maybe the usage has gotten a little out of control. I recently had a client who had a really great high limit Chase trade line added to their credit report, and it's still reporting to this day. However, that now is almost at a 50% credit utilization. So what happens when you have these trade lines added and then they keep on reporting because it's someone that you know or someone that did a favor for you, and now all of a sudden the utilization is a problem? Well, that's great. We have to really kind of take this bull by the horns, because we do not want to inherit anybody else's debt onto our credit. So in this case, what we would want to do is dispute the account to get it off of our credit, or contact the account holder and ask them to kindly remove us from the credit report. Now, the great thing about buying trade lines from, say, like a professional company is we have total control over that, and we guarantee that all of our trade lines are going to be less than a 15% credit utilization, and we guarantee that all of our cards are going to have 100% payment history. If not, we will remove it and we will replace it with the next best option. Now, the only time that I've ever had this issue was when someone took their credit utilization to like 17%. And, even though it's pretty close to 15, the customer wasn't happy about it. So we removed that account. In return, it actually took the whole account off of that person's credit, and then we replaced it with a similar trade line. But here's the takeaway from this part. Make sure that you're monitoring your authorized user accounts that are still reporting on your credit, because you don't want to inherit other people's debt. And this is one of the biggest reasons why you would need to remove an authorized user, is if the credit utilization got a little bit too high and the card holder doesn't have any plans to reduce it anytime soon. Now, I always am a huge advocate of trade lines. So if you are looking to add trade lines to your credit profile, book a call. I've got a ton of trade lines. And like I said, most of our trade lines are going to report for 3 months as active. So it gives you a lot of opportunity to do what it is that you need to do. And you can also extend those for a discounted price. We guarantee our trade lines to post, and we guarantee them to post to a minimum of 2 out of the 3 bureaus. But honestly, most of our trade lines report to all 3 credit bureaus. In fact, if it doesn't report, it's either a problem with your credit report, you have a fraud alert, or you have some sort of block, or you have your reports locked. And that's another thing that you have to consider. When you buy trade lines, you cannot have identity theft notifications, you cannot have a fraud alert, and you cannot have your credit reports locked. They have to be unlocked, and you cannot have any consumer statements, because that could prevent a trade line from posting. It doesn't matter if you buy it or if someone gives it to you. You have to take those things into consideration if you want the trade lines to post properly. So that's a big thing that people don't always pay attention to, but we're actually not able to add a trade line to someone's credit profile until those consumer statements are removed, the fraud alerts are removed, and the credit reports are unlocked. I've left a link below if you want to check out our trade line inventory. Again, guys, my name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Make sure you watch all 25 videos in this playlist, because guess what? I give you guys some major game. Most importantly, take action. I'll see you next time.